Good morning this Wednesday, the 16th of November. I'm Grady Wolfe, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, the US markets rebounded on Tuesday to close higher across the key indices following the release of US producer price index data that measures wholesale inflation for October, showing an increase of just 0.2%, which was below market expectations and is another sign inflation in the region is slowing. The tech-heavy Nasdaq led the gains, adding 1.27% on Tuesday, while the Dow Jones added 0.02% and the S&P 500 lifted 0.7% on Tuesday. Over in the US, it has been a turbulent time for technology stocks of late, with interest rates rising, meaning financing growth becomes more expensive. As a result, we have seen mass layoffs from tech giants, including Twitter cutting around 3,700 jobs, Amazon reportedly preparing to release 10,000 employees, Stripe axing 14% of its staff, and Meta cutting 11,000 jobs in the biggest tech layoff of 2022. So yesterday's rally on the Nasdaq will bring a brief sigh of relief for technology stocks. Over in Europe, markets advanced on the back of that US producer price index data being released, with the STOXX 600 adding 0.2%, while Germany's DAX and the French CAC each added almost 0.5%. In the UK, the FTSE 100 bucked the trend though, closing the day down 0.21% amid UK property data indicating new homebuyer enquiries plunged in October to the lowest level since the 2008 GFC, according to the latest RICS housing surveyors report for last week, adding to further fears of a deep recession to come. On the commodities front, crude oil is trading slightly higher this morning, up 0.68% at $86.45 a barrel. Gold is trading mostly flat at $1,772 an ounce. Natural gas is up 2.68%, and iron ore is continuing to surge, up 3.74% this morning at $97 a tonne. Ahead of the local trading session, the SPI futures are expecting the ASX to open just 0.04% higher on the back of that rally on Wall Street overnight. There is no local economic data out today. However, investors will be tuning in to a number of key Federal Reserve speeches in attempt of gaining a glimpse at just how aggressive the Feds will continue raising interest rates moving forward. The Aussie dollar has strengthened overnight to buy 67.75 US cents, 57 British pence, 94.44 Japanese yen, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 10 cents. Now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Max 7 Technologies, following the formation of a pattern over a period of 18 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of 56 cents to the range of 64 to 66 cents, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And Trading Central has also identified a bullish signal on Magnus Energy Technologies following the formation of a pattern over a period of 36 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of 42 cents to the range of 47 to 49 cents, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Grady Wolfe with Bell Direct. Have a wonderful trading day and happy investing.